Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Valorant Error Van9005 MSI problem. To start, in the search box, enter PowerShell. Click on Run as administrator. Click Yes to access. Now in the terminal, run the command on the screen. Press Enter. After this, you can reboot the system to apply the changes. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. When you log in on Windows, enter that info 32 in the search box. Select System Information. Here, check that the virtualization-based security line is not enabled. After, enter Isolation in the search box. Click on Core Isolation. Validate that the memory integrity switch is not active. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.